In one of the earlier videos, we split this column up into manufacturer name and product code. Product code is the interesting thing as we're looking at a product table here. And actually, we've ended up now with some redundant data. So my manufacturer name, I've actually already got a column called manufacturer. I've also got this manufacturer ID, which is a lookup to this other table, which has also got the name of the manufacturer in it. So we've got a few extra columns that we don't need anymore. And doing things like removing or reordering these columns is really simple. I can right-click and remove this column, and I can right-click and remove the manufacturer column, and now I'm just left with my manufacturer ID. Now, the great thing about the way that this query editor works and these steps that we're building up on the right-hand side is that one of these columns, for example, the product code that was derived from a different column that we were using before, I can remove the source columns and it doesn't actually impact the result. So if you're using columns to create kind of intermediate steps as you're doing your calculations, it's okay to go back and remove those intermediate steps once you're finished, and then that doesn't get loaded to your model to do any further analysis. So removing columns is easy. Reordering them is also easy. So maybe we want to put all of our all of our IDs at the start of the table. So I can just grab the heading and drag it left to right to reorder them. Maybe the important thing for us is to have our products and categories and segments arranged in the right order in their hierarchy. So maybe we have lots of products that are in segments and the segments are in categories. So let's order them in that way as well. So it's easy to drag things around, rearrange them. And like you saw, it's really easy to remove columns that you don't need if they're redundant pieces or intermediate steps during your calculations.